Welcome back to our series on how to answer interview questions for the project manager construction position. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to tackle the tricky question. Tell us about a time when you had to resolve a conflict on a construction project. We'll also provide you with a sample answer and insight into what the interviewer really wants to learn about you. Let's get started. Tell us about a time when you had to resolve a conflict on a construction project. The interviewer wants to know about your conflict resolution skills in a construction setting. They want to learn how you handle difficult situations and work to find a mutually beneficial solution. Now let me give you a great example answer to show off those skills. During a previous construction project, while working as a project manager, I encountered a conflict with one of our subcontractors. They failed to deliver the materials on time, which caused a delay in the overall schedule. As a result, the client was becoming anxious and demanded that we get the project back on track. I immediately contacted the subcontractor to understand the reasons behind the delay. We had a frank conversation and I found that the supplier they were working with was the source of the holdup. Once I understood this, I contacted the supplier directly to get a clear picture of what was going on. After some discussions, we found alternatives to speed up the delivery process. To avoid further delays, I suggested the supplier send the materials to a hub close to the construction site, enabling us to collect them quickly, instead of waiting for them to arrive from the main facility. With this plan in place, I called a meeting with all relevant parties, including the subcontractor and the client, to explain the situation and the new course of action. I made sure to stress the urgency and emphasize a shared commitment to get the project back on track. The positive response and collaborative effort from all involved made it possible to receive the materials quickly, which resulted in us meeting our milestone and delivering the project on time. I made sure to follow up with both the subcontractor and supplier after the project was completed, to ensure that we had a protocol in place to avoid similar setbacks in the future. Overall, this experience taught me the value of clear communication, active listening, and creative problem solving. I work efficiently under pressure and believe that conflict resolution is an important aspect of any project. I'm confident in my ability to handle challenging situations, and I look forward to bringing these skills to this role. Great job! Now that you have seen how to handle conflicts on a construction project, you're one step closer to acing your next job interview. If you want more help and guidance, be sure to check out my other videos or watch the recommended content in the playlist. I love hearing feedback from my viewers, so let you know how I can better assist you in the comments below. Let's get you ready for your next job interview by giving you some practice at beingconfident.io.